is Brad, and I'm going to do a quick lesson on the top 4 strings of the guitar. This is the E string, B string, G string, and D. This guitar is tuned down half a step, and I'm going to be moving a D-shaped chord from the normal setting all the way to the top, which I guess would really be D flat. So I'm going to do one fairly quickly, and then I'm going to break it down much slower. So. Okay, one more time, and I'm going to slow it down, and I'm going to count out loud the beats. So I'm going to be doing this in 6/8 time, otherwise known as 3/4 time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was not to a metronome, so it is not perfect. So the idea is just to know how to bring up and down the D chords while keeping the string open. It's kind of handy if you're playing along with other people and you want to be able to switch quickly without doing full bar chords and going all the way up and down the neck. So I'm going to do that again. This time I'm just going to do whole notes and count to 4 for each one. So I'm going to slow it down as much as I can. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, moving down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to try the same thing again. This time I'm going to be playing it 4 times. I'm going to count to 4 each time I'm playing it, and then I'm going to move all the way from the bottom to the top and all the way from the top down to the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you start getting into strumming, whether you're using a pick or your fingers or you've grown out your fingernails, you want to avoid hitting the E string or the A string. So for this particular exercise, I'm only using the D. There is a style of picking where you're going back and forth. I believe that's called Travis picking. That sounds like this. But for today's sake, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. We're not going to be dealing with these 2 strings. So what I'm going to show you is that if you look carefully at my thumb, I'm going to do the same exercise. This is what it's going to sound like if my thumb's off. So that's too many bass notes and it's too confusing to the listener. So if you mute it with your thumb, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2. Again, going down. So that concludes today's lesson. If you have any comments or recommendations, let me know, and have a nice day.